Imagine watching a construction worker casually grab a hot piece of metal without flinching, while another person yelps in pain from a tiny paper cut. Why do some people seem almost indifferent to pain, while others react strongly to even minor discomfort? The answer lies in a complex interplay of biology, genetics, psychology, and even cultural influences all working together to shape how intensely we feel pain. At its core, pain is a survival mechanism, a warning signal that something is wrong. But just as people have different thresholds for loud noises or bright lights, they also have varying sensitivities to pain. Some of this difference is hardwired in our DNA. Scientists have identified specific genes that influence pain perception, such as the SCN9A gene, which affects how pain signals travel through the nerves. In rare cases, mutations in this gene can lead to a complete inability to feel pain, a condition that might sound like a blessing, but is actually extremely dangerous. People with this mutation might not realize they've broken a bone or burned themselves, leading to severe injuries that go untreated. But genetics is only part of the story. The brain plays a crucial role in interpreting pain signals. When you stub your toe, the nerves send a distress call to your brain, but it's the brain that decides how much it should hurt. Some people's brains are better at dampening these signals, thanks to natural painkillers like endorphins. Athletes, for example, often push through injuries during a game because intense physical activity triggers a flood of endorphins, temporarily numbing pain. Similarly, soldiers in combat or emergency responders in high-stress situations sometimes don't notice injuries until the adrenaline wears off. Psychology also shapes pain perception. Have you ever noticed that a headache feels worse when you're stressed or tired? Or that a minor cut seems to hurt less when you're distracted by something exciting? Emotions and attention play a huge role in how we experience pain. People who are naturally more anxious or focused on discomfort tend to feel pain more intensely, while those who remain calm or distracted often handle it better. Studies have even shown that techniques like meditation and controlled breathing can help people tolerate pain more effectively by altering how the brain processes it. Beyond biology and psychology, cultural background influences pain tolerance. Some societies emphasize endurance and stoicism, teaching people from a young age to suppress reactions to pain. In these cultures, individuals genuinely perceive pain as less severe because they've been conditioned to ignore it. On the other hand, cultures that encourage open expression of discomfort may lead people to acknowledge and feel pain more acutely. This doesn't mean one approach is better, just that our upbringing shapes how we interpret bodily signals. There's also the fascinating phenomenon of placebo and nocebo effects, where belief alone can alter pain perception. If someone expects a treatment to relieve pain, their brain may actually reduce the sensation, even if the treatment is just a sugar pill. Conversely, if a person believes something will hurt more, it often does, even if there's no physical reason for the increased pain. This shows just how powerful the mind is in shaping our experience of discomfort. Of course, there are extreme cases where pain perception is drastically different. Some individuals with rare neurological conditions feel no pain at all, while others suffer from conditions like fibromyalgia, where even light touch can be excruciating. These extremes highlight how delicate and finely tuned our pain systems are. Pain, in the right amount, is essential. It protects us from harm. But when the system malfunctions, it can lead to either dangerous indifference or unbearable sensitivity. So, what does this mean for everyday life? If you've ever envied someone who seems unfazed by pain, remember that their resilience isn't just about willpower. It's a combination of genetics, brain chemistry, mental state, and life experiences. And if you're someone who feels pain more intensely, that's not a flaw, it's your body's way of keeping you alert and safe. Understanding why pain tolerance varies can also help us develop better ways to manage pain, from personalized medicine to psychological therapies. Maybe in the future, we'll have more ways to help people who suffer from chronic pain, while also learning from those who handle it effortlessly. One thing is certain: pain is far more than just a physical sensation. It's a deeply personal experience, shaped by the unique wiring of our bodies and minds.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.